Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi POCO M7, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. Okay, so to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so. Do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles, which should by default reveal the battery saver right over here. Now, if you don't see it on either of the pages, you can actually add it on the last page of the toggles. The last toggle, you will have edit. You can click on it and find the area that is just this kind of darker shade of gray. These are all the toggles that you can add additionally. So once you find whatever toggle you want to add, I will be adding this one right here, Ultra Battery Saver, as this is another battery saver that I will be talking about. So I'm going to hold it. You can see I can now drag it around, drop it above here, click on done, and this toggle now stays added. So first thing, battery saver. Once you see it here, you can simply tap on it and you're good to go. Turn on when device is 50%. Okay, so we have the option enabled by default, which turns this off when you start charging it and the battery reaches 50% or more. Now anyway, you can also hold this toggle, and this will take you to the settings, allowing you to turn that option off, as well as give you the option to turn it on as a schedule. So you can have a specific time schedule where the battery saver will automatically on its own turn on. So that's pretty nice. And we also have the option to not wake the screen for notifications when the battery saver is enabled. Now, one last thing is turn off when charge. Wait. Oh, okay. This is for Ultra Battery Saver. So we have the same two options twice, but this is for Ultra Power Saver. This is just for the normal battery saver. So anyway, let's now actually take a look at the Ultra Power Saver. Now that one will be giving you better battery life, but it will also limit how the device can be used. Now you can see that this mode basically tries to prioritize battery life, as it's telling us that we're going to get 100 and almost 18 hours of battery life with this. So that's literally like several days of battery. But you can see brightness fell off the cliff. We lost wallpaper. We only have a couple applications visible. Notification also pretty limited in terms of what's visible in here. And yeah, it just tries to preserve battery life. I can barely see it right here, but it tells us our remaining battery life, which is 17 hours and 48 minutes. Now to leave this mode, you'd click right here. We have the exit button. Click on it. Will automatically just go back to the normal mode. And yeah, that mode is great if you're in a pinch. You know that you won't be able to charge your device for some time, and your device isn't fully charged. Pop it into the Ultra Power Saving mode and you're good to go probably for the rest of the day. Considering right now with 99% battery, so let's just say fully charged, we are getting 118 hours of battery life basically. So that is an insane battery life in general. And that still gets you like what, over 25 hours, close to like probably 30 hours when you have just 25% battery left. So yeah, it's going to get you through probably whatever need you have for it. And for other cases where you just need it for a little bit, just so your device doesn't die on you, while you know that you, for instance, get back home in an hour or so, you can utilize the normal battery saver. For the ones where you leave your home and you forgot to charge your device and it's at 10%, that's what you want to enable the Ultra Battery Saver for. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.